We're going to review the top 5 best clamp desk lamp, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. LEPOWER Metal Desk Lamp. The LEPOWER metal desk lamp is integrated with a high-quality metal lampshade and base. It is heavy-duty and durable, with strong aesthetic qualities. This reading lamp offers multiple functions. It can stand on the desk or you can clip it on a surface with the clamp. The max gap of the adjustable clamp is up to an inch, so you can clip the lamp onto table or shelves. It also comes with an E26 sized screw base. Consider using 4 W6 watt LED light bulbs, 8 W16W energy saving bulbs, or 20 W40W incandescent bulbs on it. Number 2. Phive LED Desk Lamp. The Phive LED modern desk lamp is an ideal lamp for protecting your eyes. It has close to daylight illumination and color temperature, via a diffusion panel emitting soft light without ghost, glare or flicker. The lamp has step-less dimming or memory of brightness, meaning you can adjust it freely and keep your settings for the next time you use it. It has a highly adjustable 180 degrees swivel lamp head, 16.3 plus 16.3 inches adjustable metal arm, and a rotatable body. The lamp's strong clamp supports up to 2.36 inches tabletop. Number 3. BenQ E-Reading LED Desk Lamp. The BenQ E-Reading LED desk lamp is a unique desk lamp that comes packed with many additional extras, with one of its most unique features being its color-changing temperature control system. While this won't change the physical temperature of the lamp itself, it does control its color, which ranges from 2700K to 5700K. This, together with its level of brightness, can be automatically controlled to match the light levels of your desk space and surrounding environment. Out of the box, the lamp is easily assembled in just a few minutes, and once in position provides excellent stability via its weighted base and aluminum and zinc alloy construction. Number 4. Tronics TTDL16 Desk Lamp. The Tronics TTDL16 stylish metal LED desk lamp is a durable and flexible lamp with a full metal body and a multi-angle adjustable head and arm. The task lamp comes with 5 color temperatures and 6 brightness levels up to 1200 lux for different light scenarios, along with a useful USB port to charge your phone. It is also easy on your eyes. Its light guide panel transmits light sideways for glare-free illumination, and would make for a good LED table lamp. Number 5. Swing Arm Desk Lamp. The Swing Arm LED desk lamp is designed with an architect in mind. It has a flexible swing arm and swiveled shade, 3-point adjustable, that can be easily positioned for focused, directional lighting. It has an extensive 40 inches long reach that easily lights up the entire desk surface, weighs 1.85 pounds and is 17.5 x 14 by 2 inches in size, making highly adaptable and suitable for a var array of desk sizes. It has a voltage of 24 volts, 0.5 A and 9 watts and uses LED light bulbs with a luminous flux of 900.